You know, I'm editing this video, and the whole time I'm thinking, I'm like, when I bought this car, I kind of went into it blindly, and like going forward buying cars, I wish there was a tool that I could use that was like an all-in-one VIN research tool, so I could figure out all the information on the car before I buy it, and that's where Epic VIN comes in, the sponsor of today's video. Let me tell you a little bit about some of their tools. You can check the fair market value based on AI analysis. You can compare similar vehicles in your area, find out about the number of owners of the car. All this stuff comes in handy, especially as a car enthusiast when you buy a lot of cars. The Epic VIN car research tool will give you a comprehensive information about fuel economy information, estimated 5-year cost to own, which I always underestimate, honestly. Of course, when deciding to buy a car, it's important to know its history. So the VIN car research tool report, you'll find things like listing and price history, odometer issues, recalls check, history of previous sales, last known mileage. So all this information is going to help you to make a more informed decision on buying that car. It's pretty simple. All you got to do is install the Epic VIN Chrome extension from the Google Web Store. You can check out any car on any website. I really wish I knew about this tool earlier. I'm definitely going to be using it going forward. So download the Epic VIN car research tool like I'm going to in the link in my description. Thanks again for Epic VIN for sponsoring today's video.